Hi, this is Patty D. Priest, and welcome to Educate Academy, brought to you by the Kentucky Academy of Technology Education. We're going to look at our header in Google Sites today. And so we named our file, and you can see the name here. This is not shown anywhere by anyone that is looking unless they have editing rights to your Google site. And down here, it added this and copied it from the site name. You can change that to really anything you want. So let's go ahead and change it. And then we can come down here and we can add a title for this actual page in the website. And so we might call this, all right, once we get our titles done, then we can actually format our header. Now our headers formatting, a lot of it comes from the themes. So we're going to look quickly at the themes. Over here on the right, I can click on themes and I have these themes to choose from. They are pretty basic. You can't do a lot to change them, but yet they make it really easy to create your site. So we are on simple, and so I can change this and change the color so that it brings in a different kind of color tone to the image. Notice it has a font style, so I can change it from classic to or light to classic to heavy, and you'll notice that my font is going to change. The actual font style comes with the theme. You can change like bold and italicize in some places, but not the actual font. You'll also notice on this one that you can click and pick just about any color you want to add to the image. So if we don't like this one, we can come down here to Diplomat. We have the same thing. We have color options. We can choose a color, and we have different fonts. Same thing with this one. And you'll notice that each one's a little different. And so you can explore and look at those as you wish. Good. Now we're going to come over here and notice that as we hover over our header, we can do one of two things. We can change the image or we can change the header type. There are 4 different header types. We are in the banner. We can make it a cover, which is going to be pretty much the entire page. Make it a large banner, which is most of the page. Go back to banner. Or we can do title only. And with title only, it always is pretty much going to have the white background. It doesn't give us the option to put in an image. So we're going to go back to banner, click out of that, and we're going to go to change image. Now we can select an image. Those are images that are brought to you by Google or from Google Drive or by searching. And so I can look at their gallery and let's see what they have there. I can search by URL. So if you've gone out there and looked for an image and you can find the image URL, you can paste it there. I can actually do a Google search. And notice when it does a Google search, it's going to find results that you can actually use that are labeled for commercial reuse with modification. So if I say I want a Google picture and I do a search, these have all been labeled. So let's say that we want this one here. So we click on it, we click select, and it's going to go ahead and load that. Now if we don't like it, we can change it. But notice over here on the right, this is where it changed the actual photo so to make the text that we have on there more readable. I don't actually like the image because it kind of interferes with the text. So we're going to go back and change the image. And under select image, we also have the option to go to your albums. And then we can go to Google Drive as well. Let's just pull one in for the moment. We'll pull this one in. The other option we have here is to just upload one from our computer. So when you hit upload, it's going to ask you to go either to Finder on your Mac or to go to Windows and find your pictures there, your images, and you can upload it from your computer. So if I wanted this one with the pencils on it, I can click that and I can upload it and it's going to add it. Again, I don't like the way it interferes with the text. I could go back to my font style over on my themes and I could change it, and that's a little bit better because it's thicker, but I still don't like it. And so I would probably, if I was keeping this for use, I would go back and change it to something a little plainer that doesn't interfere with my text. That's it for right now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.